Hey everyone, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. Well, as fate has it, the SD card that had all the footage for painting the grill and putting it together, well, that one failed. So this video is going to be real short. I'm going to go ahead and show you now the end product and walk you through what I did. All painted nice and pretty. Went ahead and put 3 additional gauges at the bottom. The 2 that are at the same height gives me the exact same reading. The one that's up top just a little bit, slight degree off, but I'll take it. I've already run 1 cook on it, and the back is just a slight bit cooler than the front, but I'll take it over the wild swings that it used to do. As you can see, smaller holes up here to bigger holes, and then back here it's wide open, but even with that, even temperature. And we've got our firebox. Nice lovely paint job. Then we've got piping going out through the vent. And that's it. Thank you everybody for tuning in.